Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic text reveal intro using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create text video. So we can click on video and then select new, and I'm going to choose blank clip. Okay, I'm going to change the canvas, wait, and we can go to the text, select text, and I'm just going to type in text intro. Okay, like this, and I'm going to zoom in to make it bigger, and I'm going to change the duration. I'm going to set it to 5 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to increase the duration of the text as well. And wait guys, I'm going to remove the watermark. Okay, and we're going to export this text video. We can click on export, and I'm going to choose the resolution and export. All right, and we're going to create new project. We can click on create new and import the text video we have just exported. And wait, I'm going to remove the watermark again. All right, and we're going to apply mask to this video. We can click on the mask option. You can go to the mask and then select this mask. Okay, and we're going to rotate it like this. Wait guys, I'm going to rotate it and then adjust the feather. Alright. Okay, and then we're going to apply keyframe. Click on the keyframe, go back to the mask, and we're going to move the mask like this. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to apply one more keyframe. I'm going to rotate the mask. Okay, perfect. And let's see what we have. Okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a cinematic text reveal intro using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!